Hi, today I want to talk to another topic. It's about the AI and how we can use the AI to transfer our idea into the photo. So let's start with this. The AI software I use today is called Stable Diffusion. And first we start with the prompt. And prompt will help the AI can understand what you want to create. Then I got some simple idea in here: the wood, house, glass door, the garden design, and the tree on the background. So let's click on the generate. We wait a little bit and this is what we got. But this is not exactly what we want. So we do another step. We open the tab called the Controlnet. We enable this first, and after that we drag and drop your clay render into this one. Under this one we got the control type. Into this we choose the canny. Okay, next we will change width and the height have the same scale of the clay render. Okay, and let's click on generate once again. Then you can see now we have a shape, but this is not enough. We want it to look better. Then I will go to the tab called the sampling method and I choose the first one. Then generate once again. Okay, now we got this one, but it looks like we got a lot of tree on the background, so let's change the prompt a little bit. But before we click generate, let's go to another tab and it's called the high res. And I choose the 4pixos ultra sharp and it will help you upscale its map. And don't forget to increase the high res step and lower the denoise strength. If the denoise is very high, you're losing the sample and we don't want this. Okay, and now let's click generate. And this is the whole image we generate today, and let's start from the beginning. This is when we already have a prompt. This is when we had the Controlnet. This version when we have a lot of tree. And this is some version when we change the prompt and add the high res scale. Okay, and now we go to another tab called the checkpoint. And I can recommend you a website called the CView AI. You can go to search and download the style you want. And make sure you download and save it in this address. Open the Stable Diffusion once again and it will update your checkpoint. Okay, now let's change the checkpoint to the one called the real stick. Okay, now let's take a look what we got. Okay, and as you can see now all these matches look more style. It look the same style for all of this when we use the checkpoint. And let's take a look from the beginning once again. And this is when we use the checkpoint. And that's all I want to share with you guys today. Thank you and see you in the next video. Hi.